Going to be replacing the armrest on the 2010 Acura TL. I had to pull off this back piece. It just comes off with 4 clips. I grabbed it from the bottom and pulled it off from back there. Then there's 4 screws that have to be removed right underneath that and the light. There's 2 clips here you pull off from there and there. They just have the same type of clips that you pull off. And then there's 2 more Phillips screws there, and that allows the center to pull out of there. Once you take those screws out that were up there, you have the rear screws removed, you have the front screws removed, then this whole thing just lifts up out of there like this. So the whole unit lifts out of there. And then next we'll be peeling this cover off to replace it. After that, you just pry the clips off of this black plastic piece that's underneath here. It should just pop right off. And then you have screws to remove to get the leather covered piece off. Next, pop this black plastic cover off. Make sure you use a trim removal tool, that way you're not messing up your plastic or breaking anything, but it just pops right off. It has clips that go all around, and then that gives you access to the Phillips screws that need removed to pull the leather covered piece off. Once you remove the screws that were there, and the 2 from the back, this unit here comes off. And then you just have to take off the ones around the outside to remove that unit separately. I didn't remove those top 3 screws because it didn't seem necessary to get the part off that I need to get off. That just holds the latches on. And then finally, you're to the piece that needs the leather replaced. And with this, what I'm gonna do, it looks like it's just glued on, but I'm probably going to staple and glue the new piece on. So this is an old one, just peeled it off. Tried to not damage any of the foam as much as I can peel off. New one slid right in. Just can't glue it on around the edges, it looks like. So I just glued around that. I didn't pull, I got some wrinkles, didn't pull it as tight as I wanted, but a lot better than it was anyways. This is a 2012 Acura TL, just trying to replace this armrest cover. Had to pop this rear piece off. It looks like it's 4 clips on there. I just grabbed it from the bottom down here and pulled it off. It came right off. Gotta remove this light. There's 4 screws right there that have to be removed.